morning. Welcome to Hardee's. May I take your order, please?
Yeah, can I get a number 9 with a Coke to drink, please?
A number 9 with a Coke. Would you like that to be medium or large?
Medium's fine.
Number 9, medium with a Coke.
Yes.
Thank you, Joe. Round for your total.
Thank you. Well, YouTube, today it's Friday, right? And if you notice, I'm in my work van, and I'm on vacation. We won't get into that. But yesterday, when I was supposed to be like filming today's upload, I got lazy yesterday and I pretty much just sat on my butt all day and played video games all day. So today's upload is going to be a little different because I'm doing it with my phone and the Hardee's drive-through. But what I'll do is down in the description, the first thing, if you go to the description right now, there is an unseen flight edit in there that I did. It was kind of late in the evening. The lighting's horrible. The GoPro sucks, but there's a little flight edit down in there for y'all. Thanks for watching. You don't have to comment on that video. This is the one that you need to comment on, this video right here. See you tomorrow.